Blood. With the AK-47, you know. You can shoot some boy, she tight down there, so. I can shoot somebody there, so. So you can shoot there. Man up in the bush up there, so. Watch out now, I beat a shot. That's how I do it. British saying go and jump. One man there. Man just shoot after me. Yeah, sniper on you. The bullet just barely touch, nothing touch me. Watch it. Now let's shoot that boy now. Shoot. Somebody shoot at me, I don't know who.